As is known, data accuracy matters most for data acquired from cement slurry performance tests conducted by oil-field cementing testing instruments, while before we test any performance of cement slurry preparation comes first. Nithons constant speed mixer features anti-foam function, which helps to improve data accuracy. Let's see how it works. In automatic mode, users can enable or disable the anti-foam function while tapping the anti-foam button on the screen. This mixer will mix cement slurry with low speed at intervals after high-speed mixing is finished, thus saving both time and labor. Besides, it helps remove foam from the slurry significantly and thus reduce the effect of foam on subsequent tests for consistency, compressive strength, density, and etc. Mixing cup made of stainless steel is imported from USA, having better stability and mixing performance. Motor control is also imported from USA, with accurate speed control, better robustness, and powerful drive.